Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And tonight we're going to do something a little bit different off the strip.
We are at the Ethel M Chocolate Factory in Cactus Garden doing the Lights of Love tour.
Yeah. So if you're looking for something romantic to do that's not on the strip and very interesting, go ahead and check this one out. Let's go in there.
So to gain entrance into the Lights of Love Cactus Garden here at Ethel M Chocolate Factory, it's a $5 donation which goes to one of the food banks here in Las Vegas. And then we purchased a couple hot chocolates and a large heart chocolate box. The hot chocolates were $7 each. It's really good hot chocolate.
It is. Like I said to Rachel, it better be at a chocolate factory. Because I will probably buy chocolate after this too.
Yeah.
But we'll show you what the box of chocolates look like as well.
Yeah.
Really nice.
It is very nice. I would highly recommend, if you're planning on doing it, make reservations ahead of time. When we tried to come at Christmas time, they were booked, and
it was like the slowest weekend of the year.
Yeah.
It was the week before Christmas. So if they fill up at that, I could definitely see them fill it up all the time. And this place, they're having people walking in the whole time we've been here.
Yep. Very cool. Glad we did it.
Yeah, definitely glad we did it. Definitely a different type of experience. We're going to be checking out the chocolates, so stick around and watch that. But if you're enjoying our videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And you can follow us on our social media platforms as well, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of those links are in the description below.